Inibingelele and welcome back to my YouTube channel mfowethu lana according to uJacinta Ngobese wakwaZuma lapha yana ke uye wanikeza ama updates regarding udaba lwevideo eyabonakala circulator einkundleni zokuxhumana ke usisi ke ethathwa ke ngabantu okusolakala ukuthi ke abokufika ama Nigerians. So according to editing hospitals nursing staff, the lady in question entered the premises with a gentleman and was engaged in a dispute with her boyfriend when the incident happened. Additionally, there was another female occupant in the car, as they say, and the lady jumped out of the car while the car was moving. So they treated her and they left her. Lana ke bafethu udaba lolu esesalibona ke kakhulukazi lapha einkundleni zokuxhumana. Lana ke bafethu lolu daba ke abantu abaningi bashaya ke amakhala ngalo bathi ke konke lokhu ke nje kubukeka kungamampunge futhi ke kuningi okusamele ke kulandelelwe mayelana nalo ngoba bona insolo ke kubona basola ukuthi ke lo sisi ubedragiwe futhi ke kuningi obekuzokwenzeka kuyena ke mhlawumbe kube ke kwayona le video ayithathe kanga.
Kita usul juga, kan lain syakila. Masuk tu nampak plate tu. Saya nampak plate guys. Ni, kita nak buat gumton.